This is the newer Cnc C50 sparking EDM, and we're going to have a look at a couple of its special features. First, this machine has a built-in C axis, and with this additional fourth axis, it means you can easily do 5-face machining, as we can see here. Additionally, this machine has an auto head changer, so you can easily perform helical threading machining as well. Now, finally, you can also see on this machine we have a CCD monitor, so you can always precisely check the position of your machining. If you'd like to learn more about the machines from Newer, then please check the link at the end of the video.